So guys, ito na po yung kanyang chain tensioner, no? Kit. So as you can see, ito yung kanyang old timing chain tensioner. As you can see, very bad. So sa nakita natin, isa rin itong dahilan yung slugs na para hindi siya makapag-react, no? Kasi too much dirty yung kanyang chain tensioner. So hindi na siya makapag-preload, like react quickly, because there is slugs on the system. And worst scenario, if yung slugs is nakapasok dito sa may gallery niya, dito sa may oil feed. Hanapin natin yung oil feed dito. So meron siyang oil feed somewhere here, and then here. So dirty na talaga, so kaya siya nag-slack. Okay, so kailangan talaga pagka timing chain namin yung puro timing chain or oil feed, you should have like change oil. As you can see, this is not like the normal scenario here, because whenever I clean, it doesn't get out. And also the sludge here is really bad. It's unfolding sludge. It's too much, and it takes 2 hours to clean here, and also on the other side, so it's time consuming. So you need to like hurry up this one, because we have only 5 hours to do this thing, and then this thing has to be running out tonight. So this has to be done quick. That's it. So ito yung kanyang brand new na timing chain. Ito yung kanyang timing chain here. You can see there are markings here. Magkaiba na nito. Ita-try natin kung parehas ba ito ng para pagka mga ganito, kasi iba kasi ang ang sukat. So wala sa plastic talaga. Tingnan natin yung kanyang chain tensioner here. Talaga basta sa chain tensioner. Very brand new. So ang kanyang oil feed dito is nandito. Ito siya. Ito yung holes niya sa oil feed. Okay? Para siya mag-preload. And then sasabi ko na dito, which is nabarahan. So kaya hindi siya mag-react, hindi siya mag-put tension, kasi the oil gargle it's black. Timing chain slack, because there's no the tensioner doesn't react anymore. Cannot put tension into it because there's no oil coming through the tension. Okay, so looking up here, as you can see the length of the timing chain, really straight, no? As you can see here, there's a lot of difference. That's too much. It's too much stress for the timing chain, because especially the oil is dirty, so cannot react anymore. It's time to change. Okay, so we're gonna put here. You will see this marking coming through the sprocket. We'll see.